All right, Superhero Stepdad back again. I got an order. I don't know, there's like 30 some cards here that just came back from PSA. Mostly vintage or modern stuff. So let's take a look and see what we got. First up, Shohei Ohtani 2022 Topps Holiday Relic. Gets a PSA 8. I do believe, oh, this is player worn. It's not game used. The relic contained in this is worn by the featured player. The execution of all right, so this was not game used, but it's player worn. Okay. It's a thicker card, so they're tougher on that. 2022 Select WWE Liv Morgan Orange Flash Prism PSA 10. I paid like 50 cents for this card and it just looked really clean. So I sent it off and we got a 10. Matthew Stafford rookie 2009 score, the 89 score throwback. It's a 9. His cards are criminally undervalued right now. I just don't understand why his stuff is so far down. He's on pace for the Hall of Fame. You know, he's got a Super Bowl win. He's putting up yardage like, you know, he's going to be top 3 all time if he keeps this up. But you can pick up his Topps Chrome Refractor PSA 9s for like 50 bucks. It's insane. But got a 9 on that card. Select WWE Becky Lynch Phenomenon Flash Prism. Gets a 10. Like I said, I picked up a whole stack of these select WWE cards that were parallels and whatnot, and I sent in a few of them, the ones that look really clean, and this is one of them, and I got a 10. There's another, we got Asuka, the red and blue, gets a 10. And you have your Buster Posey, 2010 Topps Heritage Rookie, PSA 9. That's such a cool looking card. It really is. All right. Probably going to be in the Hall of Fame. Kenley Jansen, quietly becoming one of the best closers of all time, as he's, don't know if he'll get to 600 saves. Probably not going to make a knock at Mariano Rivera's record, but he's definitely going to be top 2 or 3 all time, I would say, if he keeps it up. His gold parallel, got a 9 on that one. He's a rookie. Bryce Harper, my favorite player right now. This is his 2013 Bowman Gold PSA 9. I don't think these cards are numbered. No, not that I can see. But, you know, anything gold is desirable and it is difficult to grade. It's just a paper, it's not chrome. Schwarber, Phillies fan here. This is his gold rookie, number to 2016 in the Cubbies jersey. Gets a PSA 10. Very nice. Very nice. Aaron Nola. I've been sending in a lot of his rare cards, his rare rookies, because you can find them very cheap on eBay and ComC and stuff. And he's another one of those players that is, here we go, on pace for a Hall of Fame career. I mean, it may not sound likely, but look at his stats compared to somebody like Max Scherzer at his age. You know, he's putting up numbers for the Hall of Fame as far as strikeouts, and, you know, he could put together a Cy Young year. You never know. The Phillies could make a run at the World Series again. This card, his pitching negative, Topps paper negative parallel, PSA 10. These things are impossible to find in any grade. I was actually surprised that this got a 10. When I looked it over, I didn't think it was going to 10. So I've had this for a while, and then I figured I'd just send it in with some other Nolas and stuff here. But I was pleasantly surprised with this card. It's so cool. Again, not chrome. This is just the paper parallel 10. Rookie. German Marquez, forgive me if I'm pronouncing that wrong. This is his black parallel rookie, numbered to 66. He's another one of those pitchers. Sometimes I'll take a chance on some pitchers that are, you know, putting together, you know, insanely, they're very young and have insanely great stats. You know, he's got a lot of strikeouts. He's one of the, if you look at the pitchers with high strikeout rates, usually 3,000 is a number that'll get you into the Hall of Fame. He's on pace for 3,000 if he could keep it up. So I got this card for like $5 or something. His black got a 9. It's so difficult to grade those. It's so difficult to find any of their black parallel rookies, but yeah, look him up. Look up his stats. Keep keep track of his career. I mean, he might fade out and disappear, or he might become Hall of Fame pitcher in 10, 15 years. You never know. But for a couple bucks, I figured, why not? Another Aaron Nola. I think this is Bowman Chrome Gold Refractor Rookie. Yeah, it's numbered out of 50. Yeah. Bowman Draft Picks, Chrome Gold, PSA 10. Look at that shine. Love it. Got a nice little collection of Nolas that I'm just not going to sell. Hopefully the Phillies keep him and re-sign him, because he's one of the best pitchers in baseball right now, I think. Very undervalued, underrated. Pitchers often shine in their early 30s, and I feel like he could glow up, if you will, and really take off in the next couple of seasons. Bryce Harper, this is what, numbered out of 50. Which card is this? 2020 Topps Chrome SP Gold Refractor PSA 10. This is like one of those short print photo variation chromes, gold. Great card. I think I paid like 20 bucks for this or something, and it was so clean. These are hard to find. It's just a Jordan. Which one is this? 95 Fleer gets an 8. I forget where I got this. It was like $1 or something. It looked pretty good, but they're grading the GOAT's so difficult. Yeah, it's not something I would send in anymore, I don't think, but is what it is. Another Harper. 2013, I believe we have here. Yeah, 2013, the catching variation, PSA 10. It's such an awesome card, even though he's not in the right jersey, but that is a very cool card. I think this is from the same series. Yeah, 2013, the parallel. That's the sunglasses one, PSA 9. Over here, Bryce Harper. Oh, this is Topps Now from the playoffs last year. This is PSA 10. This is Slugger's pair of RBI Knox Fuels comeback win. So this is from Game 4 of the NLCS. Okay. Some more Bryces to add to my collection. All right, a few more cards here. Bryce Harper. What do we got? 2012 Bowman Chrome Rookie PSA 9. Oh yeah, it's on the case. Okay. Dan Marino. I got a stack. I got like 5 or 6 of these for like a quarter each or something. And this one looked pretty clean. Gets a 9. It's one of those foil cards, SP foil. They're gonna grade those insanely tough. To get a 9 though is kind of, I'm like, all right, why not? Aaron Judge Fearless out of 149. This is the red Mojo Prism. Gets a 10. All right, I'll take that. Really cool card. Nice. Manny Machado. I think this is the blue parallel for his rookie, the Walmart blue. I think my pre-grade on this was like an 8. It gets a 10. Couldn't have been an 8 that I had it pre-graded. Although, look at the white on that top left edge up there, if you can see it. Up like here. Wow. I will definitely take that. 10 on that. Griffey, one of his most awesomest cards of all time, the 1990 Topps. Get to 9. I would love to pull a 10 of this. I think I might. I don't know if, no, I'm not sure where I got this. Sorry for bubbling up that dialogue there. But, I mean, that card is just so iconically awesome. Nolan Arenado. This is, I believe, the Black Redemption rookie. Yeah, and a 10. Black Border Redemption 2010 Bowman Prospects. That is so tough to get with those black borders with the chipping on that. But this one looked clean as heck. Another one of those players that's on pace. He's not on pace for the Hall of Fame. He's going to be in the Hall of Fame. Just his defensive stats alone will put him there one day. And his offense, he's probably going to get to 500 home runs. Bryce Harper. Which one is this? The Suit 2019 Suit version gets a PSA 10. Awesome. Aaron Judge. The Topps Holiday Metallic gets a 10. This card, I wasn't sure how they would grade it because these metallic cards have all the, like, you can feel them and it's just, I don't know if I can pick it up on the camera. I mean, if you've held one of these cards, you know what I'm talking about, but they got a 10, so I'll take it. This is one of the coolest cards that's been produced in the past few years. I believe it's from that Field of Dreams card, or game. Yeah, gets a PSA 10, just the base from Stadium Club. That is just so cool. I love that card. Brandon Marsh. This is a great addition to the Phillies. Glad to see he's back. This is his autograph. Oh yeah, 10 Stadium Club Chrome autograph. It's like, I don't know if it doesn't say refractor, but that's definitely a refractor. It's on card as well. Paid like $10 for that at a card show a few months ago. Mike Trout, Shohei Ohtani, numbered out of, was it $4.99? PSA 10, 2022 Topps Update green foil, the MVP caliber. That is such a cool, two of the best, no, arguably the two best in the game right now. Certainly Ohtani's hands down the best in all of sports right now. So, great card. Steph Curry, center stage PSA 10 from 2020 Mosaic. I'm not a big fan of Mosaic, but I really do like these inserts that they have. That one's sweet. A couple more. Another Harper. PSA 9 for the 2022 Topps Chrome SP. Love the shine. Is that numbered? I don't think so. 2 cards left. Luka, PSA 10 on the Orange Flash Prism from 2021 Select. Is that the same as that Liv Morgan? Yeah, it is. 2022 and 2021. They had this. Yeah, okay. Interesting. All right, and the last card, maybe the most memorable moment of last year in sports for me and for all of Phillies fans. PSA 10, Bryce Harper tops now. Slugs the monster 2-run homer to clinch the NLCS. Whenever Harper hit that home run, you could see Hoskins jumping over the dugout and Schwarber's look and Stott and everybody. That card is just so awesome. Love it. Whenever to eliminate San Diego, Phillies going to the World Series. Unfortunately, it didn't end with a victory in the series, but that moment will forever live in Philly fandom in immortality. 10. All right, so that's what I got. I have another order that's coming back. It's scheduled to be delivered tomorrow. As you watch this, it is currently August 24th, 2023. I have another order coming back tomorrow, so I'll try to get that filmed and uploaded in the next day or so. All right, thanks.